Today we are working on Lesson 16 Apply for PowerPoint, which I have opened up on my screen. So go ahead and open that up. Save it to the location where you normally save everything, putting your initials at the end. And then step 3 says place a text box containing your full name at the top of slide 1. So I'm going to click Insert Text Box. I'm going to draw a text box. And it says to change the font color to white background 1. I'll go up here to the font color, white background 1. So your name should be up there in white. Step 4. It says go to slide 4. So we're going to go to slide 4. And convert the bulleted list to vertical block list Smartart design. So just click somewhere in that list and then right click. And we are going to convert to Smartart. Click that arrow. And we're looking for vertical block. Vertical block. There it is right there. Vertical block list. Step 5 says change the Smartart style to intense effect. So click the down arrow, and intense effect is the last one. Step 6 says change the colors to the first sample in the colorful section of the color list. So change colors. Here's the colorful section, and it says to change it to the first sample, so that would be this one. Step 7 go to step 5. Change the colors for the Smartart. So click that. Make sure you click the outside of it so that you've got the whole thing selected, not just part of it. And change to colored fill, colors, and accent 3 section of the colored list. So here's accent 3, and we want colored fill accent 3, so that's this one. Step 8 says to go to slide 9. So go down here to slide 9. Convert the numbered list to a staggered process Smartart. So click in your list and convert to Smartart. And what we need is not in there, so we got to select more Smartart graphics down here at the bottom. And then we need to go to, it's a staggered process. So click on the process, and we want to find staggered. Which is this one down here, staggered process, and then click OK. Step 9 says change the colors to the third sample in the colorful section. So go here to colorful and go to the third one, which is this one. Step 10 says change the Smartart style to polished. So here's your Smartart style, so click the down arrow. And it says it's the first sample in the 3D section. So if I hover my mouse over this one, you see in the polished section, or polished, this is it in the 3D section. Next step says to preview the presentation, noticing how Smartart diagrams add more visual interest to the slide. So go ahead and do that. Click Slideshow and then Slideshow from beginning, and you can see what it looks like. Step 12 says with your teacher's permission, to print one copy as handouts, 6 slides per page. My class doesn't do that, but if your class does, you will click File and then Print, and where it says full page slides in the handouts, you would select 6 slides per page, and you could see that that's page 2 of 2. Page 1 has 6 slides on it. So step 13 says to close the presentation, saving changes, and exit PowerPoint. So do that and submit to be graded. And this completes lesson number 16, Apply.